BMW started production at a factory that didn't exist yet, March 2023. The plant in Debrecen, Hungary, no roof, no robots, no assembly line. And they ran the start of production anyway. 2 years before the real one. Not a rendering, not a fly-through. A running factory with robots, conveyors, logistics, routes, and workers moving through it. That existed only as physics. I'm a mechanical engineer. And I want to explain what this actually is, because digital twin has become one of the most abused phrases in manufacturing. A 3D model of your factory is not a digital twin. A dashboard is not a digital twin. A digital twin is a simulation that is connected. It takes real data from the real thing and stays synchronized with it. The model changes when reality changes. So what do you do with a factory that exists twice? You break the fake one. You crash the robot into the fixture. You run the line at 130% and find where it jams. You move an entire welding cell across the building 3 times before anyone bolts anything to a floor. BMW is now scaling this across more than 30 production sites, and they project it cuts production planning costs by up to 30%. I want to be precise. BMW says projected. That's their word, not an audited result. But even the projection tells you something. The expensive part of a factory was never the steel. It was discovering the mistake after the steel was in. Now, here's the part the demos don't show. A digital twin is only as true as its connection to reality. And that connection decays. Sensors drift out of calibration. A maintenance tech swaps a component and nobody updates the model. Tooling wears, and your twin keeps simulating. Beautifully, confidently, a factory that no longer exists. Engineers call this the sim-to-real gap, and it's an active research problem, not a solved one. The failure is quiet. Nothing alarms. The model just slowly becomes fiction while everyone keeps trusting it. Same failure mode as episode 2's surrogate models. Different technology, identical trap, the confident wrong answer, which raises the question nobody in the sales deck wants. When a twin says the line will run at 94% efficiency and it runs at 71%, who owns that? Not the software. Someone specified the model. Someone decided which physics to include and which to ignore. Someone decided how often it resyncs with the floor. Every one of those is an engineering judgment. The twin doesn't make them. It inherits them. So the job is changing again. It used to be commission the line, tune it, keep it running. Now it's own the model that the line is judged against. Decide what it's allowed to assume. Know exactly where it stops being true. The factory got a simulator. The engineer became the person who decides whether to believe it. That's not a smaller job. That's a much bigger one. Episode 3 of AI and Mechanical Engineering. Episode 4. Materials that don't exist yet. AI systems proposing alloys and composites no one has ever made, and the very unglamorous problem of actually producing them. If you build things for a living, follow along.